Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download the content of a canvas as a PNG image. This is a canvas. This is our flower, for example. First we need to get the canvas element. Document.query selector canvas. I made a mistake here. This is canvas. So this is our canvas. Data canvas to data URL. This is a JavaScript API. It is a method just to convert the canvas to data URL. Document.create element. You need to create a link element or anchor element, and then a element.href is the data. So this is the data. And then a element dot download, a name for our file, canvas flower.png, and then a element dot click. We click to download it. Very nice. Canvas flower.png. Go to your download folder, and here it is. It is very simple and easy. Let me recap. Get the canvas element, convert it to data URL, and then create anchor element. Set the data as the href. For the download, give the name of your file, and finally call the click method to download the file. If it was helpful, like the video. Check out my other videos on my channel. I have posted many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects, and with your job. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.